Wildfires are bad for your health. Here's how to keep everyone safe. This video will examine the impact of wildfires on your health. A few weeks into the record-breaking wildfire season, a distraught couple brought a young boy with grave breathing difficulties to the emergency department of Randall Children's Hospital in Portland. A quick diagnosis established that he had a severe asthma attack. The attack, doctors eventually concluded, was mainly the result of exposure to the pall of smoke that had turned Portland and its surroundings into a surreal nightmarescape. Expert care and the hospital's clean air helped the boy quickly recover, and he was eventually discharged. It's not a surprise that the boy suffered such a severe attack, given the levels of wildfire-related smoke pollution in Portland and parts of the U.S. West Coast. The density of pollutants in the air in the city exceeded 400 in some days, according to an Environmental Protection Agency index, which is extremely hazardous. Typically, levels below 50 are considered safe, while levels in the 200 to 300 range are regarded as very unhealthy. Such high levels of wildfire-related smoke pollution are dangerous for everyone, and especially so for people with asthma and other respiratory conditions. The minuscule particles that fires thrust every which way can inflame lungs so much that airways close, resulting in dangerous and, in some cases, fatal respiratory distress. In the short term, smoke inhalation can damage elements of the immune system that protect lungs from pneumonia and other respiratory diseases. Such exposure is also associated with spikes in heart attacks, arrhythmia, and stroke cases, according to Dr. Mary Prunicki, the Director of Air Pollution and Health Research at the Sean N. Parker Center for Allergy and Asthma Research at Stanford. Long-term effects of smoke inhalation have yet to be exhaustively studied, since wildfires tend to be contained relatively quickly. Still, data from fossil fuel pollution studies suggest that constant exposure to heavy smoke can lead to spikes in pulmonary conditions and cardiovascular problems, notes Dr. Joel Kaufman, a professor of environmental and occupational health sciences, medicine, and epidemiology at the University of Washington. In addition, such exposure can increase the likelihood of developing diabetes and dementia. Research also shows that it can trigger asthma in children who are genetically predisposed but wouldn't have developed the condition otherwise. Worse, it can also increase the risk of dying from COVID-19, according to a study by Eduardo Cantisanilla, Bruno Frediania, and Dario Carab, conducted in northern Italy. Dire stuff, to be sure.